Hi guys, this is Lorele with WTI. If you're thinking about getting a new iPad, then you should consider the iPad Pro 4th generation. This one is 11 inches, and I got it because I wanted an iPad I could use for work, and the M2 chip allows me just to do that. I can multitask, run heavy apps without any issues. Another thing I like about this iPad is that it comes with the cellular option. It means that I can just work from anywhere I am because I'm always connected, which is a big plus for me. The display is stunning. I fell in love with it even more the moment I put on one of my favorite shows. The images and videos look so fantastic on the screen, and everything looks so crisp. It is also perfect for studying because it has such a big screen, it's really comfortable to study with it, and the split view allows me to take notes while I'm reading. So if you're looking for an iPad that can handle work, play, and everything in between, this iPad is a fantastic choice. I love it, and I think you will love it too. And that is my point of view.